Hi and welcome back. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today I've got a special collaboration manicure with Gabby from Mimarte Nail Art. I'll have a link to her video in the description box of mine, and here's a beautiful manicure that she prepared. I hope you guys will pass by and show her some love. For my manicure, I started off with a thin coat of this Hansen nail polish called Jealous Boyfriend. Then I applied a thin coat of the Beauty Bigbang holographic green polish, which is number 8. I'll be using images from two Beauty Bigbang stamping plates, XL-031 and XL-032. For the first layer, I'll use this Cuccio color polish called You're So Special. I stamped the same image on all the nails. It's very subtle, but that's the look I was going for. For the next image, I'll use a white stamping polish. And look how gorgeous this looks. I stamped the same image on all the nails. Now we do a little bit of cleanup with a piece of tape. And to seal in the design, I'll use my no smudge top coat. And here's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love the way it turned out. Thank you to Gabby once again for inviting me to participate in this fun collab. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!